Hi, my name is Becca, and I am the founder for Bika's Bands. Now, what is the problem and why is Bika's Bands a thing? Well, lost electrolytes. When people are working out, doing any kind of strenuous activity, they lose electrolytes, which can help lead to dehydration, especially here in hot Florida with the sun blazing. It's very easy for people to lose electrolytes in water. And that also leads to water imbalances, which isn't just dehydration, but it goes more deeper into the cell where the water pH levels are not even. Now, the solution with that is found within Bika's Bands. Now, Bika's Bands helps to replenish those electrolytes, which is great, and it also helps to rejuvenate. So once those electrolytes are restored, then your body has more energy to continue being active, and then remodel. It's basically remodeling the way science is coordinating with your body and helping you stay fit and healthy. Now, here's a business model. Basically just kind of goes over the different people that I'd be working alongside with, the manufacturers, the shipping and handling, and then it also goes over the different values and our customers, our customer range. We're kind of aiming for all ages, all different backgrounds. There's no discrimination here. It's a very diverse headband and product that can be used. Just about anyone who cares about their body's health and well-being can use this product. Now, why is this so special compared to other places? Time. It is so time convenient, timely. You don't have to stop to go drink anything. As you're wearing it, it's working away and it is replenishing those electrolytes for you. Convenience. It just ties into time. You don't have to go scrimmaging to go find something with electrolytes. You don't have to do your research. Do I want to have some Gatorade today? Do I want to have a banana? How am I going to replenish those electrolytes? All you have to do is pop on the headband. And no sugar. This will lead into our next conversation coming up about competitors. There's no sugar involved as many products with electrolytes have, such as Gatorade. It's high in sugars. Even the low calorie, no sugar ones, there's still sugar in there. Bananas still has some natural sugars. So people who are wanting to watch their weight and their diet and trying to cut out sugars but still stay hydrated and balanced with electrolytes, the headband knocks it all out in one. Now, for our marketing and sales, we're going to start out with pouring a whole bunch of money into billboards. This is really where we've seen previously has caught a lot of our consumers' attention. Social media, we're going to have advertisements on Instagram and Facebook, and we're just going to be very active, sharing posts, trying to gain more followers just to get our brand name out there. And then we're also going to have influencers and sponsors, and we're first going to be targeting major athletes such as Gabby Douglas, who's already interested in partnering with us, and then we might even go out to the YouTube community. People like Whitney Simmons, who are super into fitness routines and just reaching out to many of her viewers. So we're going to try to spread out to many people who have an influence on our athletic community. Now, like earlier I said, competition, one of our biggest competitors is Gatorade. As many of you know, if you are trying to figure out, hey, I need some electrolytes, how do I get them? Oh, go grab a Gatorade. It's cheap, it's quick and easy to get. But at the same time, it has that sugar and it's not as convenient as just popping on a headband. You also only have to buy the headband once. As Gatorade, you have to keep buying it. Pedialyte, it's a little lesser known. Most of people will drink this when they're sick, or it's targeted for just babies to help keep their health up and replenish those electrolytes. But Pedialyte is another object that someone can go to get those electrolytes. And different powders that you can mix in with your water, or even fruits like bananas, like I said earlier. Those all have electrolytes, but like I said, it does not have the same convenience as the headband. Now our team, it's pretty simple. We have our manufacturer who makes the headbands for us. We have our marketing team who works daily, every night, every day, just trying to get the word out about this amazing headband. We have our CSRs. We do have a call center who takes calls globally, even though we're not getting many phone calls from other countries yet, but answering any questions. This headband is basically a new science. There's never been anything like it. So there are going to be consumers who have many questions before they buy it. Unfortunately, we just can't answer all of those questions on our website. There will be those straggling questions. And we are based online, so we don't have sales rep in person to help answer these questions. So we do have a call center. And then, of course, we have our accounting and payroll who helps pay the people who are helping us and just kind of keep looking over the books, making sure we're staying good with our money. Again, very small team, but they do work very hard. And of course, you have me who's the founder, and I'm looking more into the innovative ways and how to keep defining the company and keep it moving and adding new products that might be interesting to our consumers. Now, some projections and milestones. Within a year from now, we want all of our debts paid. You'll see later we will be requesting startup funds that will help us get the ball rolling. We also want to go worldwide by 2022, meaning, yes, we do offer worldwide shipping right now, but we want to get our first worldwide customer by 2022. Now, that is a different market. It's very different ways to reach out to these consumers, which we are still trying to learn how to do, which is why this is booked out until 2022. And then also by 2023, we want to have hit 500,000 customers, which is 500,000. And I believe that that's when we'll really hit our peak and get the success that we've wanted. Now, you will see, if you've noticed a trend, I want to hit a major milestone each year, which means that our team is going to have to put in a lot of work and a lot of dedication, but I am confident in my team and being able to do that. Our status and timeline. Startup funds, $100,000. That's all we need. We will get in a good sum of products in our first heap that we will be selling. And this will help pay people, kind of pay building locations. They'll be very small, limited. A lot of our people will be working from home as our payroll. Now, 6 months to start. That's all we need. After getting the $100,000 startup funds, it'll only take us 6 months to get the ball rolling. This includes manufacturing all of the parts, leaving room for any mistakes in the manufacturing process. It also gives us time to start reaching out to influencers and famous athletes to start spreading the word and really hyping up the release date of this product. And then 1 year payoff. I want all of our debts paid off in 1 year, as previously stated. I don't want any kind of financial burden holding us down. So once we really kick off Bicas Bands and get people buying our products, I do believe that we will be able to pay off these debts back in 1 year. And just overall, Bicas Bands, it's convenient. It's right there. All you have to do is wear it on your head. Wear it long enough, you don't even know it's there. But while it's on your head, it's slowly working away at keeping your electrolytes replenished and balanced, keeping your water levels inside your cells balanced as well. Optimal. Optimal can go so many ways. You have optimal results, optimal efficiency, optimal just experiences. You are staying healthy, you're not even recognizing it, your body is staying well hydrated and balanced, and it's all in a timely manner. It's not like, you're working out and all of a sudden you feel lightheaded, because while you're working out, this headband is constantly working to make sure that you're staying hydrated and balanced. So you're not going to reach that point in your workout where you feel dizzy and you just don't feel well. And also, it's here for the long run. This is a product you only have to buy once, maybe twice if you want a new color once they're released. So I believe that this will help you in the long run because it's targeting your health. And I'd really like your help to be able to start off Bicas Bands. Thank you.